how you can upgrade your Hostinger plan. So this is very simple. First thing to do is to go to your hpanel.hostinger.com, and once you are here, we want to click on your profile in right upper corner area, and here simply open billing section. Here you can find all your already subscribed items. And if you want to upgrade one of these, I got here hosting and email trial. If you want to upgrade here, go to this arrow, click it. This is gonna appear, and here you will find need more resources, upgrade to a higher plan. So click on this option, and here you can simply upgrade your current plan. I got this one. Here you can see the plan you got, and you can upgrade it to the more advanced program. Here you will find all your items which you will get if you upgrade, and then simply complete upgrade payment. Also, you will pay only the amount above this price, because I already paid some money to before plan, and this is only the amount which I'm gonna pay in additional. So make sure to complete and upgrade your payment. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.